Hello, Mr.
Hello,
Diva.
Mr. Shan. How can I help you?
Could you help me to explain the process of making engine
Yes,
blocks?
sure, Mr. Shan. Engine blocks are produced by sand casting method.
What is sand casting method?
I'm really sorry, Mr. Shan. I couldn't explain you through video call and also in real because of this COVID pandemic. But no worries, I will send you a video based on the sand casting method. In that video, my students will be explaining the sand casting method. You can watch it later, Mr. Shan.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Diva.
No mention, Mr. Shan. It's my duty.
Okay, bye. Have a great time.
Same to you, Mr. Shan.
Hello guys, my name is Divineshwaran, son of Yanasegar. My metric number is 10DKM19F1020.
Hi, my name is Shankar Sonaliki Paramasivan and my metric ID is 10DKM19F1017. Today we will see the steps of sandcasting process. Before we look at the steps, now let's see the safety precaution. Firstly, do not run the workshop to avoid accident. Secondly, always wear an apron. Then wear safety shoe to protect your foot. Next, wear protective clothing. Moreover, tie up long hair.
Furthermore, never work alone in the workshop. In case of emergency, we need others' help. And when necessary, wear goggles to avoid dust getting into our eyes. Moreover, turn the machine off before cleaning it to avoid getting injured. In addition, wear gloves and long sleeved shirt to protect your hands and arms from burns and lead spatters. Finally, keep your work area clean to have a comfort zone.
Now let's see the steps of sandcasting process. Firstly, position the drag upside down on the flat surface. Then at the bottom section of the pattern. Next, apply parting powder to the setup. After that, sieve the oil sand onto the pattern and press the sand down carefully. Once the pattern has been covered, add unsieved sand and compress the unsieved sand by using a tamper and also using a straight edge. Ensure the drag base is flat. Furthermore, turn the drag over and add the top section of the pattern and add the choke and locate it with the pins.
Meanwhile, repeat the same step for the cup with the top section of the pattern. After that, separate the modes and using a hollow pipe, cut runner and riser holes. Then, remove the pattern from the cup and rack. Following that, form channels in rack for the aluminium to fill the pattern and push holes through the pattern to prevent an airlock forming. In addition, cut a pouring pool and channel to the runner. Then separate the cup and rack and remove any loose sand. In the next stage, lock the cup and rack tightly. Now pour the molten metal and let it to cool. Finally, take the pattern out. As a conclusion, sandcasting is a technique used to make many metal copies from a master part. Sandcasting is the oldest and simplest means of manufacturing shaped components and is still widely used today. Sandcasting, one of the expandable mold casting where the mold will be destroyed in order to remove the finished casting. That's all for today guys. Thank you very much.